So breaking news is out. Shell and Cepheid just announced two direct test opportunity and they are sending the assessment mail directly in the email. Don't skip this hiring and don't skip this video. First watch these video. First watch a video till end and then apply for each and every hiring. Superset mass hiring is also announced and Barracuda Network just announced biggest associate software engineer role hiring. But please go and watch Infosys direct interview. 100 opening will be there. Teradata mass hiring is going on 4 roles. And just uploaded Moody's, Cisco and Citi fresher hiring direct referral opportunity, and Accenture video I already uploaded. Go to video section and check out these videos. Do subscribe my channel, like this video. It hardly take 10 seconds to do this. Now this is the Shell hiring. Shell graduate program 2026 announced, which is direct test opportunity, and this is mass hiring. Why? Because Bangalore, Gurgaon, Mumbai relocation is there. That's why this is mass opportunity. They want the employee for each and every मतलब इतने सारे cities के branches के लिए चाहिए, तो obviously this is mass hiring. Now what is going on? Understand each and everything. Graduate at Shell. इसका चलो ये छोड़ो ये line. This role will be based in Gurgaon, Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore. 4 location is there. Pan India hiring. Start date from the graduate program are May to August 2026. Now the Shell graduate program equips you with the essential tool to enhance your leadership skill, and on the job training will be there. Formal education is the job rotation and personalized coaching is there. So they are providing you each and everything. मतलब हर चीज की ट्रेनिंग मिलने वाली है यहाँ पे. Now you must be pursuing or have completed. Now what batch is eligible? Pursuing, have completed. So listen carefully. 25, 26, 27, 28 batches eligible. BE, BTech, ME, MTech or PhD in computer science, IT, software engineering is eligible. Now these interpersonal skill you have to put in resume. Now you need to have less than 3 years of experience. Like if you have 3 years up to experience, you can easily apply. So if you have less than 3 years of experience, you can apply. And if you are a pursuing candidate and fresher with 0 year of experience, you can easily apply. Now what is written? You are required to have graduate prior to your first day at Shell. It means you have to completed all your 8th semester till 8th semester. If you are a pursuing candidate, then you can easily join. Why? Because अगर तुम यहाँ पर देखोगे मई में ऑलरेडी सबके एग्जाम हो जाते, then you already are graduated now. यहाँ पे रिजल्ट का हम वेट करते हैं और उसके बाद तुम्हारा मतलब मई में एग्जाम कंप्लीट हो जाता है, तो you can easily join this Shell company. Now what is going on? See, you have to put all these domain like interpersonal skills and यहाँ पर कुछ चीजें देखोगे what you bring. Now it means this is required skill. Now these are the thing you have to. The ideal candidate will possess the drive and resilience to achieve goal, flexibility to collaborate with the team and many more is there, but not technical domain is written. So what I told you कि यहाँ पे जितने technical domain तुम्हें आते हैं सब ऐड कर देना, because this is tech opportunity. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे देख लो Shell Technology Center is there and programming, database, GitHub and IT domain, major, minor project you can put in resume. So hit the apply button as soon as possible. But before that you have to update your resume. Already told you यहाँ पे काफी domain नहीं है, but technical domain is compulsory. And after applying you will see the direct test link on your email. So please give the correct email ID. Second, mass hiring, which is already live, and this is the second direct test opportunity. Cepheid just announced code to cure hackathon, which is 0 to 12 year of experience is needed, and पैकेज की तो छोड़ दो बहुत हाई है. बेंगलोर लोकेशन इज देयर एंड 17 फेब को ही चालू हुआ था. 12th of March इज द लास्ट डेट ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन. BE, BTech in computer science, IT, software engineering is eligible. Java and Angular is compulsory. Now if you know Java and Angular, you can easily apply because open to junior, mid-level or senior professional all is eligible. Plus you have to put all these domain in resume for interview. ठीक है, अभी तो डायरेक्ट टेस्ट है, but after that they will see your resume if you completed the round 1 successfully. Then if there is not written Java or Angular, they will not consider you for an interview. Now you have to first register it, and after register you will invite to attend an online assessment which is direct test opportunity, and the company is the CareerNet, जो कि हमें पता है ये जो CareerNet है ना, ये क्या करता है, ये कंपनियों को यहाँ पे वो करता है, एक तरीके से अपलोड करता है, और जो कंपनी आती है वो यहाँ पे होती है. शेयर योर प्रोफाइल एंड परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट विद Cepheid. तो कंपनी का नाम Cepheid ही है, ठीक है, ये ध्यान रखना. ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट इज द 90 मिनट ड्यूरेशन. 10 to 15th March is the test date, and Java and Angular question will be there with problem solving and coding skill also you will see in the assessment. So this is clear cut. If there is a 2 coding question, then this is the 90 minute duration, and Java Angular is the topic which will will be covered in the online assessment. Now 13th or 15th March is the assessment date. Now what you have to do, just register it, and if certified, if SAFED is interested in your profile, they will contact you for the next step. ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब सिंपल है कि भाई अगर तुम ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट क्लियर कर लेते हो तो यहाँ पे वो तुमको खुद बता देंगे कॉन्टेक्ट करके. आफ्टर दैट यू विल सी द इंटरव्यू, बट यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन फर्स्ट ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट चैलेंज. बिकॉज वाई? Open to junior, because junior fresher is eligible, so please don't skip this hiring and apply it as soon as possible. Registration is live, but 12 March is the last date and 13th March is the assessment date. So if you are not applying within 17 Feb to March 12, then you will never see, then this registration will be off, और फिर यहाँ पे चालू हो जाएगा assessment 13 to 15th, like 13, 14, 15 March is your online assessment. तो भाई यहाँ पे बाराकूडा अजीब सा नाम है, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर वन रोल अनाउंस कर चुका है. सो हियर यू कैन सी बी बीटेक एमईएमटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस आईटी सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग इज एलिजिबल, 1 year of relevant experience in data structure algorithm, any1 programming, HTTP, computer networking, SDLC, all interface skill. That's it. Put all these domain in resume and get the shortlisting mail. Once you have to check this tech stack, because this is the exact tech stack you will use in the responsibilities होगी. But one thing keep in mind, here is not written Docker and Kubernetes, but if you see these tech stack, here is written Docker and Kubernetes, which is plus point, जो कि यूज करना ही होगा. अगर तुम यहाँ पे देखोगे ना तो यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं Docker Kubernetes होगा तुमको यूज करने के लिए. तो प्लीज पुट दिस डोमेन इन रेज्यूमे. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट फर्स्ट अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे, एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर अ हाईली स्किल्ड एंड पैशनेट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर. ठीक है, क्लाउड भी आएगा तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्लाउड ऐड कर देना एंड हिट द अप्लाई बटन एज सून एज पॉसिबल. सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर 1 रोल इज देयर, पैकेजेस बिटवीन लाइक 6, 7, 8 LP है फॉर फ्रेशर्स, क्योंकि मेरे हिसाब से तो फ्रेशर को भी अप्लाई कर लेना चाहिए बिकॉज 1 year का एक्सपीरियंस मांगा है, तो एक बार अप्लाई ज़रूर कर लेना. Now Superset mass hiring is announced. L&T Technology announced M.Tech off-campus hiring 2025 batch, power electronicals, EV or automotive electronics. Now 31 March is the last date and package is very high, 6.3 LPA. And what is going on? See, circuit analysis are electronic fundamentals, so please put these domain and power and control device or many more is there, plus टेक्निकल स्किल एंड मोस्टली सर्किट, करंट, वोल्टेज यही मिलेगा. बिकॉज इलेक्ट्रॉनिकल्स और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मतलब ऑटोमेट टोटल देखा जाए तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ब्रांच एलिजिबल है. प्लीज अप्लाइड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. 31 March इज द लास्ट डेट एंड दिस इज नॉट अ नॉर्मल हायरिंग. अगर पैकेज देखा जाए 6.5 LP इज अ पैकेज, जो कि काफ़ी बड़ा पैकेज है, ह्यूज पैकेज है. एज अ फ्रेशर 2025 batch is eligible and pan India hiring is going on. Each and every student can apply, but keep in mind only M.Tech is eligible. So already told you Barracuda and 2 direct test opportunity. Registration is live. Shell is also live. Just hit the apply button, wait for 10 to 15 minutes or even 1 hour it will take, and after that you will see the online assessment. But don't apply with old email ID, because we already applied many times in Shell with the old email ID with the same email ID, but this time you have to apply with a new email ID, otherwise you will never get to see the assessment mail directly in the email. ठीक है, बस email अच्छे से सही दे देना, करेक्ट email and new email ID, that's it. उसके बाद तुम देखोगे तो मिल जाएगा तुम्हें. Now hit the apply button, do subscribe my channel and please go and watch these videos, which is very compulsory, which is mandatory to watch, and these are not a normal hiring. If you are not applying then you are doing a big mistake. जल्दी से जाके अप्लाई कर लो, बहुत अर्जेंट हायरिंग बताई है मैंने. सारे बैचेस एलिजिबल है. लाइक दिस वीडियो, डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, ज्वाइन व्हाट्सएप एंड टेलीग्राम चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.